Most people get this wrong when they look at secured credit cards. They assume any card that accepts everyone is automatically a good deal. But here's the truth no one tells you. Some cards help you build credit fast, while others just charge fees and slow you down. So is the OpenSky secured Visa from OpenSky actually worth it in 2026? Or should you skip it completely? In this video you'll learn exactly how it works, who it is best for, and the biggest hidden downsides you need to know before applying. Because choosing the wrong secured card can delay your credit building by months. Let's get straight into it. The OpenSky secured Visa is designed for people who have no credit or bad credit and want a simple approval process. The key feature is that it does not require a credit check in most cases. That means even if your credit history is messy, you still have a real chance of getting approved through Visa network backing. But here's where it gets interesting. To open the card, you need to place a refundable security deposit, usually starting around a few $100s. That deposit becomes your credit limit. So if you deposit $200, your spending limit is also $200. Now here's the problem most people don't realize. This card reports to credit bureaus, which is good, but it does not upgrade you to an unsecured card automatically. That means, if you want a higher limit or better rewards later, you may need to apply for a completely new card instead of growing with this one. Let's talk about the real value. If you are starting from zero credit, this card is actually useful because it reports monthly payment activity. John, for example, uses it for small purchases like gas and pays it off in full every month. After 6 months, he starts seeing real credit score improvements. But here's the catch. There is usually an annual fee, and there are no rewards. So you are paying just to build credit, not to earn cashback or perks. Now here's where it gets interesting. Compared to other secured cards, OpenSky is easier to get, but not always the cheapest long-term option. Some users switch after 6 to 12 months once their credit improves. So should you get it? If you have been denied everywhere and need a guaranteed approval path, it can be a solid starting point. But if you already qualify for better secured cards with rewards or upgrade paths, you should probably skip it. Here's the final takeaway. OpenSky secured Visa is simple, easy to get, and effective for credit building. But it comes with fees and limited long-term value. If you found this breakdown helpful, like the video, comment your credit situation, and subscribe for more honest credit card reviews that actually help you make smarter financial decisions.